Rain and thunderstorms through central Australia will move into eastern Australia in the coming days, increasing the flood threat through parts of Queensland, New South Wales, and Victoria. Looking at that system right now, we can see that low and widespread shower and thunderstorm activity across central Australia, and that's slowly moving eastwards. And in anticipation of that, we do have not only flood warnings with the ongoing flooding across large parts of New South Wales and Victoria now, but we've also issued flood watches here in this purple area through large parts of South Australia, much of southern inland Queensland, and a number of our rivers that aren't flooded across eastern parts of New South Wales. So what this means is in the coming days, rainfall could lead to minor to moderate flooding in these areas, and we could also observe flash flooding as well because the soils are already pretty wet. But now looking into the warnings right now through South Australia, we can see a severe weather warning is current for heavy rainfall and damaging winds. And some locations in this area have already seen 50 millimetres, and we could see that again today and tonight with this heavy rain and thunderstorm activity. Now looking at this rain and storm activity in more detail, we can see that rain and storms through South Australia today, also extending into parts of inland Queensland where some severe thunderstorm warnings are current there. And then as we move into Wednesday, we'll see that system move further eastwards, bringing widespread rain and storms through Queensland, New South Wales, and continuing in eastern parts of South Australia. Then as we move into Thursday, we'll see another day of rain and thunderstorms, quite severe thunderstorms as well, particularly on Thursday, from right through eastern Queensland and much of eastern New South Wales, where we could see large hail, damaging winds, and very heavy rainfall with these storms that could lead to flash flooding. And then we'll see that rain start to spread down into Victoria Thursday night and into Friday with another day of widespread rain and thunderstorm activity. Now this is not good news for our already ongoing flooded areas. So looking at what we expect on those flood affected communities across New South Wales and northern Victoria over the next 5 days, you can see widespread 25 to 50 millimetres across large parts of our already flood affected areas, and could even see some heavier falls up there around the Queensland New South Wales border. And some of those heavy falls will be related to storms, so where exactly they hit will depend exactly where those heaviest falls will occur and the impacts of the rain on our rivers, creeks and streams. So if you're living anywhere across eastern Australia, remember to stay up to date with the latest forecasts and warnings via our website, app and social media, and listen to all advice from emergency services.